Hi viewers, today we are going to see automotive turbocharger, its different parts and its function and its overall construction. Here is the turbocharger of the Tata 1613 truck. 1613 means 16 is the gross tonnage and 13 means 130 horsepower. So this turbocharger is have a capacity of an engine which generates 130 horsepower. So selection of the turbocharger is depends upon the engine horsepower requirement. After that, air consumption, airflow requirement. On these two factors, the turbocharger is selected for a particular engine. Automotive turbocharger consists of three main parts: compressor housing, turbocharger turbine housing, after that central rotating housing assembly. The compressor housing consists of inlet and outlet. The inlet is connected to the air filter assembly. The outlet is connected to the inlet manifold from the outlet of the compressor section to inlet of the inlet manifold. And the turbine section, the inlet is connected to the exhaust manifold outlet to inlet of the turbine section. Here is the inlet turbine section. And the outlet of the turbocharger is connected to the exhaust pipe elbow. Here you can see the elbow, and this elbow is connected to the downstream of the silencer. This is in downstream of the silencer, and in between there is a central housing rotating assembly, which consists of a bearing which supports the longitudinal shaft on which both compressor and turbine wheels are fitted. For lubrication of that bearing, oil is pumped through inlet. This is the inlet of the central housing, and this is the outlet. And this inlet have a banjo pipe, and the oil is pumped through oil pump of an engine. And after lubricating the bearing, the oil is sent to the oil sump from here, oil sump. And the RPM of the turbocharger, it depends upon the engine speed. The small turbochargers have a normal RPM of in between 2 to 3 lakh. As the turbocharger becomes bigger and bigger, the revolution per minute will goes on decrease, and the air consumption will goes on increase, because as turbine size become bigger, the moment of inertia become bigger, due to which the turbine will spin slowly, and it will suck more air depending upon the engine requirement. Here you can see the overall view. You can see the compressor housing. Here is the nameplate. And you can see the inlet of the turbine. Here is the exhaust of the turbine. Here is the central housing. This is the pipe. These are the original parts of the Tata 1613 truck. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.